Assalamu alaikum. This is Mridul Hassan from Hobbytech BD, and today I will show you how to make a USB RGB light at home. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Requirements for these projects are RGB LED bulb, 1K resistor, old CD, USB cable. Connect all positive to the positive and all negative to the negative. Now connect a 1K resistor to the positive port. Now connect the USB cable to the RGB light. Now connect a mobile charger to the USB cable. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching full video.